Several years back, I had a client reach out to me and ask if I could make them a multi-bird complex, basically. See, in their backyard, they had this giant tree taken down. The trunk was about 30 to 36 inches in diameter. Instead of cutting it at ground level, they decided to cut about 15 feet up in the air. That way, by putting this big giant bird condo on top of it, they'd be able to look at it from their second story back deck straight across at the birds in their new home. Sound like a great idea. Thing is, after 40 years of woodworking, not once I've ever made a birdhouse. So now here is my big opportunity. I created this several years ago. I finally put the video together. It's over-engineered, it's overbuilt, doesn't matter. I love it, it's big, it's beautiful. Let me know what you think. Enjoy the video. Time to do the final install. This birdhouse is almost done. The last thing I had done was put this backer board on here to be able to cover up the holes that are used for cleaning out birds' nests. Locks on nicely. I've got the hinges and the holes are already all lined up. Next step is to just go ahead and screw this final fourth side onto the hinges that are in place, and I'll have the construction completed. After this, I still need to put a finish on it, but that is nothing compared to the amount of work that went into actually making this four-sided birdhouse. I added it up, and there were, let's see, how many homes have I created here? There are 4 on 2 of the sides and 5 on other 2 sides, which leaves 18, plus one little teeny tiny house, which is on the opposite side. And that little teeny house is really just for aesthetics. I had a little bit too much space, I felt like, aesthetically, between a couple of the houses, so I made a teeny tiny one. It's not, it's too small for a bird to go into, but it looks awfully cute. I call it the Barbie birdhouse. And let's see how well this moves. This looks nice. Oh, slide that over some. There it goes. These little cam levers lock it in, and there it is. I love it. Rotate this around, see all sides, even the top built into the main case has a couple of birdhouses on the top of it. Here's my Barbie birdhouse right there.